issue. This garage door was stuck open. I just happened to notice there was a lot of glare on the sensor. So that's what they look like here normally. Like that. This is getting a ton of sun. So I built a little cardboard shield. As you can see, the sensor is getting shade now. Once I did that, it worked like it's supposed to. So let's see if it'll close for me here in a second. Yes. Perfect. Well, good thing they didn't have to call the garage door company. That would have been like $150 service charge. I grabbed the cardboard out of the recycling. Well, it's fixed.